If you're thinking about making a move in South Palm Beach, right now there are some final opportunities on brand new homes with some incredible incentives you don't want to miss. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local real estate resource here in South Florida, and on the channel I bring you inside the newest communities, model homes, and exclusive builder deals so you can find the perfect fit for you and your family. So the model we're seeing today is nearly complete and was just furnished in an already established community here in Boynton Beach. The builder purchased the last of the remaining lots and is building only a few more homes that are all move-in ready, over 3,000 square feet with deeper 3-car garages. Like the home we're going to take a look at today has 5 bedrooms and a den, 3.5 bathrooms, and 3,300 square feet under air. The master bedroom and den or office are located downstairs, while the other 4 bedrooms are all upstairs around a huge loft in the center. You'll find a gourmet kitchen with a walk-in pantry, hurricane impact windows, tile roofing, and everything is brand new, so you don't have to worry about any repairs or maintenance, and homeowners insurance is much lower. And as I mentioned before, I'm able to help you qualify for some massive incentives, take care of your closing costs, secure a lower interest rate, and even discount off the price to help bring down your monthly payment and your out-of-pocket costs and stay well under $1 million where all the other new construction in the area is priced at. Thinking about making a move to Palm Beach, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just to get more house for your money, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week, and when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. Thank you for joining me on today's tour here in Boynton Beach, and these final opportunities with builder incentives won't last long. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if you're relocating and want to take advantage of these deals, give me a call or shoot me an email. I'd love to help you secure the right home. And don't forget, I post new construction tours and updates every single week, so hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.